I have here two vest, puffer vest. This one is puffer vest. This one is ano siya, fleece lined vest. And I bought this sa isang clothing store online kung saan binili ko ang mga Christmas gift ni Fiona. So, mura lang to siya. Black Friday sale. So, dalawa siya, size medium. And let's try it with this outfit. By the way, guys, I really love these pants. I don't know. And then, nag-order ako ng isa pa. Ibang color. And then, size 29 ang in-order ko para hindi masyadong tighter kasi dito eh. Malaki ang tiyan ko, oh. Malaki. So, tighter siya dito. So, umorder ako ng size 29. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito is yung height talaga. Super perfect yung height niya. Tapos, ang mura lang din. So, let's try this one. Let's try this puffer vest. By the way, sinuot ko na to sa work. Super warm siya ha. Super warm. Kaso nga lang, hindi warm dito. Dito lang. So, this one, so size medium. Lahat ito is size medium. This is okay. I mean, it's like that. What do you think? Bagay ba? Then you can adjust here. And you can adjust here. Kung gusto mong ganyan ba. Then, ito din, adjust. Adjust. Ganyan siya. Oh. Luis, stop it. So, ang size medium is perfect sa akin. Especially if I will wear more warmer na clothes. This is nice. I like also the fabric. So, let's proceed to the next one. Doggy, stop it. So this one is thicker, fleece line. So this is very warm because it's a fleece line puffer vest. And size medium again. Stop it. Say it's warmer. Then, ang size medium is parang maliit. I mean, smaller compared to other one. But still, it fits on me. Pero, ang hoodie, ganyan lang siya. Parang maliit ang hoodie, hindi siya covered yung ano ko. Ganyan. Hindi malalim ang pockets. May side pockets. So, ganyan siya. Super warm nito. Super warm. Then, ganyan. Which one is the best for you guys? Comment down below. For me, pareho sila. Pareho silang, pero the color is this one. I like more of this color. Beige. Color beige siya. This one, color taupe. Taupe. Tama ba ako? Basta, kayo na lang color taupe siya. May pagka, brownish, something. So, ito. And, that's it. Flex ko lang ang aking order online na mumurahin. Kasi Black Friday sale. And, gamit na gamit to sa akin kasi cold weather is here. So, this one.